Hey guys, Scott at Friendly Hobbies here to show you exciting news. The new Element Sendero trail truck just arrived today. First delivery from Horizon. One of the interesting and awesome features they did with this one, you actually get a scale garage inside the box. Secondary battery tray and some extra support parts. This one actually comes with a 3-channel transmitter out of the box from Associated, the XP series. Let's take a look. The body's nice and scale. Headlights already installed, a few accessories on the outside of the body. All right. They put in the 16-turn motor, 5-slot. Servo mount directly to the chassis with the chassis mounted winch mount as well. They actually put in a behind the axle steering link. Gives you a little more travel out of the front end. Adjustable rock sliders right out of the box. Aluminum shocks. Aluminum and steel axles and drive shafts. Universal axles in the front. Solid rear axle in the rear, new design they just did for the Enduro. Really killer setup. This one also has an adjustable gearbox. It's got 3 different setups. Stock out of the box, you have a 5.7 ratio up front, 5.7% more power to the front wheels. Option 1 gives you a 1-to-1 drive between the two. Option 2 gives you 11.5% towards the front wheels. And of course, being rock crawler setup, they've got the fully waterproof sealed box, stamped C-channel steel frame. Really killer setup. They did a lot with this truck. Definitely a competitor. All right, first release today, available at Friendly Hobbies.
While you're here, make sure to hit that like button. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow us on Instagram for all the latest news from Friendly Hobbies.